Hey guys, Union County EAS here. So, yes, I got one. Don't know what version it is, but it being in a box with a yellow doings to it will probably be a lower version, but who knows. So open it up here. It's that side of the box. Alright. It's brand new in the box, by the way. Never has been taken out. Obviously, because it won't come out. There we go. Alright, owner's manual. I ain't gonna worry about that because these are easy to set up. And power adapter. Alright, let's take this aluminum full bubble wrap off. Alright, there's the radio. Which is weird, it doesn't have a screen cover, which is weird, but I'm not too worried about it. Got it for a cheap price, so it's not bad. Alright, let's pop some doubles in. Requires 3 AA's. The serial number is 611-13843. Let's see what version it is. Version 5. Oh, that's better than nothing. Get the cover back on. There we go. Alright. Sounds good. Let's raise the antenna here. Wanna watch advisory is a statement, unfortunately. The current time is 9:04. Alert test, alert type. We want it as force. Same set, any. Channel.
Thursday with the main threats being gusty winds, heavy rainfall.
Sounds good too. That was normal. Alright.
Here is the official forecast from your National Weather Service for the northeast
Georgia
Georgia
because
mountains.
the middle logo is a little older, so is the new logo. Unlike this one, that's the new logo on both.
Chance of showers and thunderstorms early. Lows in the upper.
Alright, well that was fast, easy, and awesome. Alright, we'll talk to you guys later.